Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is chicken chow mein. All right, we're going to get all our vegetables prepared. So we're going to use an onion. You can slice it, you can dice it. I usually dice my onion. Then we're going to cut our red pepper. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. You can use a green pepper or a yellow pepper if you like. Then we're going to grate our carrots. I usually use around 3 carrots to grate. Then we'll slice up some celery. The nice thing about this recipe is you can use any vegetables that you really have in the fridge. We'll chop up our broccoli. I like bigger pieces in my chow mein, but you can cut them up smaller. Now we'll make the sauce. So we'll get our soya sauce and we'll add our sesame oil. We'll add some sriracha. Some ground ginger, some sugar, and we'll stir that all up. And this will go in our chow mein at the end with our noodles. All right, we're going to add some oil to our pan. And then I'm going to add some chicken that has been diced up. You could add pork, you could add beef. And we'll cook that till it's almost cooked through. Now we'll add some garlic. We'll cook that for about a minute. Then we'll add our onions, our carrots, and our pepper. And we'll cook this for around 4 minutes and stirring it frequently. We'll get our water boiling as well for our noodles. I'll add in our celery and our broccoli. And we'll cook that again for about another 3 minutes or so. Once your water is boiling, you can add your noodles. Just cook it to the package's direction. I like using these noodles. They only take 2 minutes to cook. Drain our noodles, then we'll add it to our vegetables. Also add some spinach. And we'll mix this really well together. Then we'll add our sauce. Mix it really well. And once the spinach is wilted, it'll be ready to serve. And this goes great with any side dishes that you would like to make. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below, and I'll respond to all your comments. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.